DJI has decided to enter the lower-cost brushless quadcopter market with Tello. DJI and Rise teamed up to create this small marvel. Tello is a small brushed quadcopter with some exciting features. Like other DJI drones, Tello brings quite a bit to the table. This $99 drone looks like the real deal. There aren't any sub-$100 drones like it. Will the Tello end up eliminating the competition? Keep reading to learn more. The Tello is an all-new drone. While it may look like a tiny DJI Spark, this is a very different quadcopter. This is one of the most exciting brushed quadcopters to hit the market in a long time. The Tello is a smaller drone than the DJI Spark. What is a brushed drone? It is a drone with brushed motors. What are brushed motors? They are motors with brushes. Okay, enough Captain Obvious. Without diving into the technical details, brushed motors, like those on the Tello, are less expensive and have lower performance than their brushless counterparts. All previous DJI drones including all Spark, Mavic, and Phantom models have higher performing brushless motors. Starting at $99, Tello is the lowest priced quadcopter that you can buy from DJI. The up-and-coming robotics company Rise developed this drone with components and input from Intel and DJI. While it may not have GPS and the advanced flight modes you've come to expect from a DJI drone, it does, in fact, have quite a few interesting features. Right away it becomes one of the most advanced brushed quadcopters you can buy with a 14-core Intel processor. Tello features a 5MP camera that is capable of shooting 720p video. It even has electronic image stabilization to help smooth out the video. Tello is capable of a handful of flight modes that DJI calls easy shots. The easy shots on the Tello are similar to the modes on the Spark, and they include circle, 360 and up and away. You just can't find another drone under $100 with a camera this good and such a variety of flight modes.